Did you know that 75% of roofing customers judge your business based on your website? If your site isn't built to convert, you're losing leads and money. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm revealing 10 must-have features that will turn your roofing website into a lead-generating machine. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because I'll also share a pro tip that most roofing contractors overlook, yet it can skyrocket your conversions. Let's dive in. Feature 1, fast loading speed. All right, let's start with speed. A slow website is a dead website. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, potential customers will leave and go to your competitors. Here's a quick fix. Compress images, use a lightweight theme. Enable website caching. With these, your site will load faster than a nail gun at work. And feature 2, mobile-friendly design. Did you know that over 60% of visitors check roofing websites from their phones? If your website looks terrible on mobile, guess what? They're bouncing. Make sure your site is fully responsive and looks great on all devices. Test it on different screen sizes, or better yet, hire a pro to handle it. Feature 3, clear call to actions, CTAs. Want people to call or book a service? Tell them what to do. Bad CTA. Example, contact us if you need help. Good CTA example, call now for a free roof inspection. Get a fast, no obligation quote today. See the difference? Make it clear, make it urgent. Feature 4, easy contact and quote request forms. No one wants to fill out a complicated form. Keep it short and sweet. Ask for name, phone, email, service needed, and boom, more leads, fewer headaches. Feature 5, trust signals and social proof. People don't buy from strangers, they buy from trusted experts. Here's how to build instant credibility. Customer reviews and testimonials before and after photos, certifications, BBB, GAF, Certainteed, etc. Showcase these on your homepage and service pages. Feature 6, SEO optimized content. If you're not ranking on Google, you're invisible. Use local SEO strategies. Target location-based keywords, roof repair in your city. Write dedicated service pages. Optimize your headlines and meta descriptions. This helps your website show up when people search for roofing services. Near them. Feature 7, engaging roofing portfolio. A picture is worth $1,000. Show off your best roofing projects with before and after photos or even video walkthroughs. Nothing convinces a customer more than real results. Feature 8, live chat or click to call. Customers love instant answers. Add a click to call button or live chat on your site so visitors can reach you without hassle. If you're not available 24/7, use a chatbot or automated text replies. It keeps leads engaged, even when you're busy. Feature 9, Google Maps and service area. Pages. Customers need to know where you work. Add a Google map on your contact page and create dedicated service area pages. Example, roof repair in city. Metal roofing experts in city. This boosts local rankings and helps customers find you fast. Feature 10, professional and secure website, SSL. A website without SSL, HTTPS, looks sketchy. If visitors see a not secure warning, they'll leave instantly. Make sure your site has SSL encryption for security and trust. It's a must-have. Bonus pro tip, the one feature most roofers forget. Okay, you've made it this far, so here's the golden tip that most roofers miss. Retargeting pixels. Ever visited a website and suddenly seen its ads everywhere? That's retargeting. If a visitor doesn't book right away, your ads will follow them across Facebook and Google, bringing them back. Do you want this set up for your site? Roofdevs can do it for you. All right, wraps up 10 must-have features for a high-converting roofing website. Which one do you need to improve on your site? Drop a comment below. If you're serious about generating more roofing leads, Roofdevs can build you a high-performance website that attracts real customers. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for expert tips on growing your roofing business. See you in the next video.